tell you about how I made this. So basically, I followed uh, this article that followed these steps. First, first step I have to do is install Docker. Then after Docker, I just create a Node app following these instructions. Now we need to build image after creating all these things. So that is the command uh, that you need to run for creating your image. And check your Docker images, then you will find your repository and you can run also. So here we just made our node application and run it on our local machine and also build image, and we can check our container ID also. For now, uh, as we have to deploy it on AWS. Right now, AWS service is not running. It's showing us internal, but I will. How do we need to proceed with steps? So first thing that we need AWS CLI, because from AWS CLI we will push code, create registry and upload an app image to it. Basically, there is a service in Amazon. We need to select it and create a repository and make it to private. So then we have to go console, and then we have to configure these things in our AWS CLI in terminal. You can get this by your account profile, where you can see security access keys, and you can get this. And first thing we need to do, we need to configure AWS CLI, where we need to put our access key, secret key, or reason and default output. So we need to create our repository, make it private. According to this, there will be change according to our account region, and that's all. With the Docker login command, we need to copy that thing and paste in our terminal. After we paste and hit enter, we should see login succeeded. Sorry for this. And let's go to, and we need to skip this step because we have already done that when following this article, so we don't need that. Then we after login to your Docker, we just need to tag our image container to containerized image with latest tag with our repository URL, which we can find on repo push commands, and then we need to uh, push it on repository. These commands are also there. Then we need to create a task definition. Definition would be under the ECS, Amazon ECS service, where need to create task, add and create task name and add container via repo URL when it's all pushed already. Image URL soft limit, we have to set 530, map 80 host to 3000 container. 3000 is the code that we had write in our application. And environment variables node in production. If it is on production, then we have to create cluster name according to our um, container name, and we can choose instance type as according to our need. Then we have to set number of instances as according to our need. EVS storage, keep it known, VPC new. Then we need to create service to run it. Then task definition. We need to click on the task, and then Then we upon upon this task we will see a create service option. Then we need to create service, and we have to select launch app EC2 service name demo app, number of tasks one, and create service and view service. Then it will show running, and after some time it will show all a service created and status converted into pending to running. Then we need to go cluster. Cluster say we will get our container instance ID. By clicking container instance ID, we will get our public DNS. Before that, we have to open the port on public DNS to access it from public IP. Then we can see that our image is running on the particular AWS server. That's all.